video. Today we have the buy one get one free deal from Walmart. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTubers and platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so we can buy more stuff like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, we got the buy one get one free from Hart. You know how we get the Joby, we get the Milwaukee, all those brands. Well, now we have a buy one get one free from Walmart for Hart. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll leave the link down below because it's kind of tricky to get it. But I'll leave the link down below directly to this deal so you guys will go through here and just buy whatever you guys need. Alright, so here's the deals. You know how Ryobi's doing their buy one get one free for the batteries? Well, Hart's doing the same exact thing. You get to have a Hart 2-pack 20 volts lithium ion 4 amp hour batteries, charger not included. So you get a pack of 2 4 amp hour batteries. You get to select a tool. So this one's a Hart 20 volts cordless half an inch drill driver kit, battery not included. Right, it says regular. Oh yeah, so 8 to choose from, bare tool. Alright, so you guys could choose any of those 8 tools. So they have an option to choose 8 different tools with this bundle. Alright, so this is the charger you're going to get. You're going to get the Hart 20 volts 3 amp hour fast charger, battery not included. One Hart 2 amp hour fast charger. Alright, so you got here a 2-pack for 4 amp hours battery, choice of a tool, $99. So that's going to be the price basically, plus obviously shipping or taxes, whatnot. So $99 is going to be the price for this deal. It says edit bundle or add to cart. So obviously you want to edit before you add it to the cart. So what you do is you click on the tool and you click on edit. It's going to take you down here to this section. On this section you're going to choose any of these tools. Obviously the Hart cordless impact driver, battery not included. You can choose the drill driver, which is the one we saw. It's a half an inch drill driver with kit with battery not included. These are all bare tools. But wait guys, there's something that catch my attention. Here it says kit. What does that mean? It says it includes a battery and a charger. I don't know if it's the battery and the charger. Well, they're showing a battery here. There's a battery there. It says included. It says included. View more details. Alright, it says battery included. It says battery included. It says charger included. So if you guys choose, that's crazy. If you guys choose the jigsaw kit, you guys are going to get a battery and a charger. If you guys choose the reciprocating saw kit, you guys are going to get a battery and a charger. Check this out. You can even choose the inflator. What? No, I didn't even pay attention to this as of now. So yeah, I guess you can choose these items. I would choose the inflator, or actually any of these tools, but the inflator, maybe the impact driver, the impact drill, whatever. So let's choose this and see what it says. Alright, continue. Alright, continue. Alright guys, so we do have the inflator. We got, looks like a small 1.5 amp hour battery. We got a small charger. We got 2 4 amp hour batteries. You got a 3 amp hour fast charger for $99. That's a smoking deal, guys. If you're a DIY, even if you're a professional, you got all your, your name brand tools in your truck, for construction and whatnot, for the trades, and you want something for the house, this is the time for you. Look at this. This is cheap. These here are all kits. The inflator, the reciprocating saw, and the jigsaw. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so.